Across Asia-Pacific, countries that had once seemed to have the pandemic under control continue to struggle with surging cases. Vietnam has now extended restrictions in its business hub, Ho Chi Minh City, and in 18 other cities and provinces. 85% of all of its cases throughout the pandemic have been recorded just in the past month, while a third of Indonesia's total deaths have been recorded over the same period. As the country hardest hit in the region, it has now extended restrictions beyond its most populous island, Java. In Japan, state of emergency measures are now in force in 3 prefectures neighboring Tokyo, as well as Osaka. As the Olympic Games continue, fans who have been banned from venues have been gathering to watch events on public roads, defying calls to stay home.
I really should have avoided coming out, but I would have regretted if I missed this opportunity, so I decided to come.
In Australia, army patrols are now helping to enforce lockdown restrictions in Sydney, while a lockdown imposed on the city of Brisbane has been extended. Australia, like other Asia-Pacific countries, has been hampered by a slow vaccination rollout, but also vaccine hesitancy.
I'm calling upon the people of Greater Sydney, of Greater New South Wales, to come forward and get vaccinated.
In Malaysia, which saw another record surge in cases over the weekend, a group of protesters gathered to call on the Prime Minister to quit.
So I'm here today because I'm sick of sitting at home and nothing changing and the numbers getting worse.
In neighbouring Thailand, dissatisfaction too with anti-government protesters taking part in a slow-drive demonstration stretching 20 kilometres through Bangkok. The more transmissible Delta variant now accounts for 80% of all new cases in the Thai capital. A grim reminder of just how deadly it is, a hospital outside the city has become so overwhelmed, it's now using refrigerated containers to store bodies. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Seoul.